Alright, so sometimes I get bonus packages from either vendors or from brands, which is really cool. So there's this vendor in the Netherlands where I actually unboxed a lady for, which was a TPE lady a while back. They're called Doll.Shop, that's the website. And they wanted to send me a Dutch doll care package to show you guys that you can just buy a specific package that can actually take care of all your needs, wants and needs for a lady. So this is really cool. So the first thing we're going to grab is maintenance powder. So this is a specific branded Dutch doll maintenance powder, which is really cool. So if you grab a Dutch doll from Doll.Shop, you can get this package, or buy this package I should say, because this is a specific package that they have on their website. So I'll leave the link in the video description down below. So that's really cool. This is a maintenance powder formulated for SEX dolls and other things, sleeves for example. I have to be careful what I say on the YouTube video. There are some ingredients on here and some language what explains it, so that's really cool. We can open it up and see what it looks like inside. So this is going to be this very big box of powder, which is pretty cool that they sent this to me, because you know sometimes you're running low on this kind of stuff and you try to keep everything as smooth and as non-sticky as possible, and maintenance powder does the job really well, especially for TPE ladies. So that's really nice. You can kind of try to say it's almost the same as baby powder, but this is specific stuff for your ladies that you have. So that's good to know. Then we have a box over here, again Dutch Doll branded, and it's called Intimate Wash, which again is formulated for your ladies and or your sleeves. Now the maintenance powder is 150 grams and the Intimate Wash is 250 milliliters. That's of course because it's more fluid than it is a powder. And it comes in a very nice dispenser like this, so you just drop your hand on there and you can get that stuff and clean your lady up. So that's nice, you know. A lot of people do make the mistakes, well, not necessarily a mistake, but putting their ladies under a shower and then using specific soap. I'd rather use this because then you know, it comes from somebody who cares for the ladies and is actually a vendor and knows what they're talking about and what they're doing and using. So that's really nice. And then last but not least, we have a Dutch Doll branded water-based lubricant, 500 milliliters. So if you are going to be intimate with your lady, you might as well just use this, you know. I don't really like the videos where there people are completely nude and doing certain things with each other and then spitting on everything. You know, it always makes me think of the hawk to a girl. I'd rather have this. Apparently it's a little bit leaky because it has been on the side, so I do need paper now, but that's fine. Sometimes that stuff happens. It also expands, I think, a little bit depending on temperature. But you know, that's good. So this is your lubricant, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much to Doll.Shop for sending in this package, and go check out their link in the video description down below and get yourself a care package so you can take care of your lady. Thank you very much for watching. This was Rebel Drifter, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.